I'm going to help you with your assignment decimal place value for page 1. All right, so let me change the color of my pen. Okay, so here it's asking you to identify the place value of the underlying digit. Okay, I'm just going to help you with 1 and then the rest will be for you, okay? So here, after the decimal, it's tenths, hundreds, right? So this 0 here is hundreds. So be careful with the spelling, okay? Because we are talking about the place value after the decimal. Okay, what about this one? Number 5. What decimal do these fractions represent? So if this is tens, remember? Tens after the decimal. So it's tens, hundreds, thousand. Okay, so let's see. So this is 7 point and this is 3/10. If this is 100, so after tenths, it's 100. So you need to look at your chart. Okay, next one. Let me help you with this. What does the underlined digit represent? Okay, so it is tenths, hundreds, and thousands. So this one is thousands. Okay, I saw some papers and they think they are correct, but it's sometimes the spelling at the end is wrong. So you need to figure that out. Okay, what fraction do these decimals represent? Okay, so if this is tenths, hundreds, thousands, so it's 53 and 802 over 1000. Okay, let me continue on number 9. So here for number 9, this is tenths, hundreds, and then thousands. So we're going to put 63. Let me change my pen. Okay, so this is 63. 63 and 249 thousandths. All right, so don't forget the spelling. Okay, you do number 10. Now I'm going to help you with number 11. Okay, this is expanded notation. Okay, let me just... Okay, this is expanded notation. Oh my god, let me see. Let me change my pen. Okay, expanded notation. There you go. So this is 4 ones, right? So this is 4 times 1. But then we have to add a decimal. So plus 1, the decimal place is the first one. That's a tenths place. 1 times 0.1 plus, what's the place value of 9? It's on the hundreds, right? So tenths, and this is the hundreds, 0.01 plus 5 times, so this is tenths, 100,000. So how many zero we're gonna add? So 0.001 because this is tenths and hundreds and thousands. Okay, let me do number 12 for you. So this is ones and then tenths, and this is, let's see, if you're going to put it this way, it will be 2 times 10 plus 0 times 1. But we have to add the decimal. So what's the place value of 3? 3 is tenths, right? So 3 times 0.1.